Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Polygel is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly nail enhancement products available today, offering a perfect blend of acrylic durability and gel flexibility, making it an ideal choice for both professional nail technicians and DIY enthusiasts looking to achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of their homes. Its unique formulation allows for precise application, easy shaping, and a lightweight feel, ensuring a natural look and comfortable wear that can last for weeks without chipping or lifting, transforming your nails into stunning works of art. Number 5. Morovan Polygel Nail Kit. Introducing the Morovan Polygel Nail Kit, your all-in-one solution for beautiful nails. This comprehensive starter kit is perfect for beginners looking to achieve professional results at home. Inside, you'll find everything you need to get started. It includes 8 pieces of poly nail gel and a powerful 48W UV lamp to cure your creations. Designed with beginners in mind, this kit makes achieving salon-quality nails simple and accessible. You don't need prior experience to create stunning manicures. We've included all the essential components to ensure a smooth and enjoyable application process. Get ready to express your creativity with ease. Elevate your nail game with this complete polygel kit. It's the perfect investment for anyone wanting to explore the world of nail art and extensions. What we like. This is an all-in-one solution for those new to polygel. It comes with everything you need to get started, including the lamp. If you're a complete beginner looking for a convenient and comprehensive package, this is the one for you. What people say. The polygel is clear and easy to work with, allowing for a natural-looking extension. It self-levels nicely, making the application process smoother and more efficient. The formula is non-toxic and odorless, which is great for sensitive users. Number 4. Beetles Clear Builder Nail Gel. Achieve stunning nail extensions with our Clear Builder Gel. It's perfect for creating beautiful fall nail designs at home. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this gel is easy to use. Get salon-quality manicures right in your own home. Enjoy the convenience of a DIY manicure without leaving your house. This product makes at-home nail enhancement simple and fun. Get the professional look you desire with this versatile nail art gel. It provides a durable and beautiful finish for any occasion. This builder gel requires a UV or LED lamp for curing. Achieve a long-lasting, flawless manicure with ease. Create gorgeous fall-themed nails effortlessly. This gel is your go-to for seasonal nail art and enhancements. What we like. This option offers a generous amount of clear builder gel, perfect for creating extensions and enhancements. It's designed for both beginners and professionals seeking a reliable product for at-home salon manicures. If you're looking for a versatile gel that's easy to work with for various nail art designs, consider this. What people say. The polygel is clear and easy to work with, allowing for a natural-looking extension. It self-levels beautifully, making the application process smooth and efficient. The formula is non-sticky and has a good consistency, which is great for beginners. Number 3. Morovan Nail Slip Solution Kit. Introducing the Morovan Nail Slip Solution Kit, your new best friend for perfect polygel nails. This kit makes application a breeze, even for beginners. Our unique anti-stick gel liquid ensures a smooth, easy spread every time. Say goodbye to frustrating sticking and hello to flawless nails. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need, like the dual-ended brush and nail forms. Get salon-quality results right at home. Designed with ease of use in mind, it's perfect for anyone new to polygel nails. You'll achieve professional-looking nails with minimal effort. You get a generous 2.5 ounces of our high-quality slip solution. It's enough to create multiple beautiful sets of nails. Transform your nails with this easy-to-use kit. It provides the ideal spread for a smooth finish, making nail extensions simple and enjoyable. What we like. This kit focuses on making the application process smoother and less messy. The anti-stick solution helps with easy spreading and manipulation of the polygel. If you struggle with the stickiness of polygel or are a beginner looking for a more manageable application experience, this is a great choice. What people say. This polygel is easy to apply and self-levels beautifully, making nail extension application much faster. The clear polygel is perfect for creating natural-looking nail enhancements and allows for easy encapsulation of glitters or charms. It cures quickly under a UV LED lamp, resulting in a strong and durable nail extension that doesn't chip or break easily. Number 2. SAVILAND Hema-Free Large Clear Poly Gel. Discover the ultimate solution for nail extensions. This large, clear poly gel offers a natural look and salon-quality results. Achieve beautiful, strengthened nails with ease. It's perfect for creating long-lasting extensions that feel natural. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned professional, this product is designed for everyone. Enjoy DIY manicures at home. Experience incredible durability and strength with our formula. Your nails will look and feel amazing for longer. Get that professional, salon-like finish without leaving your house. It's the perfect way to enhance your natural nails. This generous 100g container ensures you have plenty to work with. Enjoy multiple applications and creative freedom. What we like. This product boasts a Hema-Free formula, making it a great option for those with sensitivities. The large size ensures you have plenty for multiple applications, and it's known for its long-lasting strength. If you prioritize a gentler formula or need a durable, natural-looking extension, this is highly recommended. What people say. The polygel is clear and easy to work with, allowing for a natural-looking extension. It self-levels nicely, making the application smooth and even. The formula is non-sticky and odorless, which is a huge plus for comfortable application. Number 1. SAVILAND Polygel Nail Kit. Discover the ultimate at-home manicure solution with our comprehensive polygel nail kit. It includes everything you need to create beautiful, salon-quality nails right in your own home. Unleash your creativity with 6 stunning colors to choose from. Whether you prefer a classic look or something more adventurous, these shades are perfect for any occasion. Achieve a perfect cure every time with the included 36W portable UV LED lamp. Its compact design makes it easy to use anywhere, ensuring your nails are set flawlessly. This all-in-one kit provides all the necessary tools for a complete nail art experience. From extension to finishing touches, we've got you covered for a professional finish. Ideal for creating elegant French manicures or any DIY nail art design you can imagine. It's the perfect starter kit for both beginners and experienced nail enthusiasts. Embrace timeless style with our classic color series. These elegant hues are perfect for creating sophisticated looks that never go out of fashion. What we like. This kit provides a selection of classic colors along with a portable curing lamp, making it ideal for on-the-go or home use. It's a convenient all-in-one solution for creating French manicures and other classic styles. If you enjoy having color options and appreciate the convenience of a compact, portable kit for DIY manicures, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The polygel is clear and easy to work with, allowing for a natural-looking extension. It self-levels nicely, making the application smooth and even without much filing. The formula is not too sticky, which is great for beginners to control and shape. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.